Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see how we can use dot matrix panels for any application. This is a dot matrix panel with 16 LEDs in the vertical direction and 32 in the horizontal direction. So these two are connected in series. So let's see what is the back of this one. Here you can see the Arduino. The data is coming from the Arduino sent to the disconnector, and this will share the data across multiple panels through these connectors. This arrow represents the incoming or outgoing of the data to the next panel. So if you are interested in making a large panel and have multiple connections to, so you can connect in this fashion. This is VCC power 5 volt. We will short this terminal together and power up with external power supply. So this is the basic setup. Let's see how it will display the text. So power up this thing. This is displaying rectangle text in the center. Is showing my name on the frame, and we have one text knowledge is power that is scrolling to the left. So this is the total result we are getting from this panel. So let's see what's the wiring diagram and what library we are going to use for setting up this thing. For the purpose of wiring, we have this diagram. Multiple terminals are connected to the ground and rest of them are labeled and they are connected in this way to the Arduino. You can use either Arduino Uno or Mega, it doesn't different differ. So this is the configuration for the hardware side, and on the software side we have to use this library DMT2 from the Freetronics community. Here you can see the example and fonts. We have these available. Sorry, that is disconnected. So you can check it by yourself what are the possible fonts available there. So you will configure this library in the Arduino, and in the Arduino this is the code which is being displayed on the screen. So first thing first, include libraries DMD2 SPA and include the font we want to add. Next, define the panel size. Let's say in our example we have width of 2 and height of 1. If you have multi panels 2 by 2 or 2 by 5, means you can change this thing to your respective number. Then we initialize DMD and display DMD object and give its specification. And in the setup we can change the brightness. Let's say we want to we want to change the brightness to its half value. Let's say 128, you can change here, and also change the font you want to use. As you have seen in our display at the beginning, we were lighting up all the LEDs. So we draw filled box. That means all the LEDs will blink up. Then we can use the DMD clear screen to uh, clear all the data on the screen. In the while loop, if you want to display any string, simple command is dmd dot draw string to 0. This is x location and y location. This is the point where from where the this text will start displaying. Like in our example, it will start from this location and move towards the down. We can delay. Then to display next we use dmd clear screen, And if you want to have multiple pictures like this one, you want to display the rectangle just like in the video. And so we are going to use one function, that is disk. It will take the string text and draw a box and draw a string. So this is the second method. In the last, for the scrolling text, like we have the knowledge is power. First we print box dot print knowledge is power. Then we use the dmd marquee scroll x. It will scroll the text in the x direction towards the left side, like this one. We can add delay, then clear, and so on. So this is the complete workflow. If you have any difficulty implementing this library, you can comment in the comment section. If you want to get the code, you should like and subscribe to the channel, and drop an email given to the uh, email given in the description section. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next in the upcoming video.